Now I'm discussing about the data structures and algorithms in Java. It is a MTech software engineering subject. Now I'm discussing about the single linked list. Now linked list, we discuss about the linked list. What is a linked list? Why we use linked list? Now, first, single linked list. A node contains the data field that is reference to another node. Here the two nodes are there. One node is the data field, next node is the reference to other node. So there are many nodes can be strung together using one variable to access the entire sequence of node. Now I am discussing about the linked list. Here the single linked list. The single linked list consists of the two nodes. One is the node 1, next one is the next information, and the next one is point to the next p dot information p dot next. 3 or 4 nodes are linked together by using the next to information tag, information 1. Take the example for this one, implementation of single linked list. Public class single linked list node t, and then public t information. We take the node as a t, and public t information and public single linked list node t. Next we define the information and next variables, and then take the constructor single linked list node. Here we define the next one as a null, and then single linked list t element, we define the element, we store the element in the information, and then declare next as a null. And single linked list node constructor consists of the t element and then single linked list node t and pointer, declare the ptr, and here ptr assigned to next variable, next the pointer assigned to the second part of the single linked list next, and then element can be assigned stored in the information. And we take the java file sll.java, public class sll.t, protected sll node t, head comma tail, and public sll constructor head equal to tail equal to null, and we define the null to tail comma head. Public boolean is empty. Here we take is empty variable. We take a is empty variable, return head equal to null. Here null assigned to head. Public void add to head, here t element. We take add to head method here, head equal to new single linked list node t element comma head. Here we take a new memory variable for the single linked list node element comma head stored in the head value. First information, if tail equal to null, here we take head and tail as a two variable information. And next, now we check tail equal to null, we take tail equal to head in the first part. And next method is add to tail method. T element, if is empty, we check the it is tail empty or not. If it is empty, go to tail next equal to new SLL node T SL, and then tail next equal to tail, next value assigned to tail. Else head tail equal to new SLL node element. If it is not empty, that will assign to next new variable, new tail variable. Else head equal to tail new SLL node T element. Like add to tail method completed. And then delete from head, delete the head and return to information. If any node we want to delete, we use this method. If is empty equal is empty, if empty is there, then return null if any nodes are not there. And then T element equal to head information. If head equal to tail, the one node is there, then head equal to tail equal to null, and else head equal to head dot next. Head dot next is nothing but first node is deleted, go to second node. Second node deleted, that second node assigned to this first node. Return element. It is delete from head, like left side it will be deleted, and next one is delete from tail. From right side we have to delete the node. Delete the tail and the return to its information. Delete from tail. If is empty and return null, here the code is tail information equal to element. Tail information is stored in the element, and then if tail equal to head, and we assign head tail equal to null if no elements are there, left side right side. Else if right side any element is there, go to SLL node T, we declare the variable tmp predecessor of tail, and then for we take a for loop for tmp equal to head, and tmp dot next is not equal to tail, and tmp equal to tmp dot next, and semicolon. We take a for loop, first value assigned to tail and up to tail not equal to next value is not equal to tail, and then next value. Here temp is assigned to tail, then null is assigned to tail dot next if the value is not null. Next we take a delete method, delete the node with the element e. Any specific element we have to delete, not from tail, not from head. If not equal to is empty, we go to if head equal to tail and else an element equal to head dot information. If only one is there, head equal to tail equal to null, and then else if element equal to head dot information. If more than one node is there on the list, go to head equal to head dot next, element assigned to the head of the node, and then else if more than one node in the list, this one only, single SLL node T assigned to, we take the variable predecessor and tmp variable predecessor tmp, Here we take a for loop, predecessor equal to head, temp equal to head dot next, temp is not equal to null, temp dot information not equal to element, and then predecessor next assigned to predecessor, and temp next assigned to temp. Then temp is not equal to null, we take a if loop, and temp next assigned to predecessor dot next, and if tail equal to tail, temp equal to tail, predecessor assigned to tail. Like this we delete the node here. Next one is void print a, single linked list temp equal to head, temp not equal to null, temp is next dot equal to tmp, system dot out dot temp dot information. Like that we do the different methods for deleting the node, and then we is in the list. If any node is there in the list, we use this method. Like for this one we use temp variable as a single linked list node, and we return the value if temp is not equal to null. Like this single linked list program. Now we take a insertion the single linked list. So there are 4 steps are there for insertion: add to head and SLL note, add to so there are insertion is there, deletion is there, and here we take a different points. The first part empty node is created, and then the node's information field is initialized here. Element node is included at the end of the list. The next field assigned to the set to null. Here this one next is assigned to null. For inserting new element, we take 3 elements 5, 8, 3. We want to insert the 6 variable to beside the head. For this one we take empty node. First we create the empty node. We create the empty node first, and then the node information field is initialized to element. And in the information field we take the variable element 6, and then so next field is set to null here, and the node is now included. Next field is the last of the node. Next field is linked to the this 5 head of the first node. Now we see the 6 is the head node, and the next pointer will be point to the head of the next node 5. Like this way we insert the node. We create the empty node and then assign the value head value, and the next field assigned to the next of the other node. Like this we insert the variable, insert the nodes, and then delete the node. How we delete the node? Here we take 3 variables, 3 nodes 5, 8, 3, and 5, 8, 3, 10. Now we take the delete from head method for this one. So we take of 4 variables 6, 5, 8, 3. Here we delete from the head, nothing but first node is deleted. First node is C. Here the 6, in this one the head 1 is the 6 and tail is the 3. we have to assign the head value to 5, and then we delete the node 6. Like this way we delete the node, delete from head, and then delete the node at the end of the single list. For this one, head 6583, if these 4 nodes are linked, here the head value is 6 and tail value is 3, we have to delete the tail value 3, so the tail is assigned to now 8, tail is set as a 8. This way the 3 value can be deleted. For the 8 node, the next pointer is assigned to 3. So the first we create the temporary variable as 8, and then the temporary variable can be assigned to tail value. So here the 8 is a tail, there is no next pointer, 3 value we have to delete. So next, deleting the node from the single linked list, head and tail and temporary variable 6583. So if we have to delete any node from the middle, we take the temporary variable, and here the PD is the first node information field and next field. If we have to delete the value of 5, then the next pointer is point to the next element 5, so we have to delete the this point assigned to this 8 value, 8 pointer assigned to this next pointer assigned to the third node 8 value, and then the value 5 is we have to delete. There are some methods are there for this one, the program. Next one is searching. We use the inList method. Next is double linked list. Double linked list, delete from the tail. So for the implementation of double linked list, take the double linked list, 3 nodes are there, left node, right node, and next pointer. So here the adding in new node at the end of the double linked list. How we add this one, 658, and take the new node 10. For this one we have to create the new node, empty new node, and then we assign the value empty node value as a information field, and left field as the null, and then next field is assigned to the so the last value, the next field assigned to the this last value 10, the head of the 10. With this way this one is added. We take the program for this one. How many methods are there? Double linked list program. First public class double linked list node t. Here we take a 2 information field and next field and previous field. Information, previous, next, 3 fields we have to take. A double linked list node, null is assigned to next and null is assigned to previous, and take constructor. Here information field element null field is assigned to next, null field assigned to previous. Here information previous next, information next previous. 3 fields are there, double linked list. And here the double linked list node we use element n and p, element np, null and next and previous. Information next and previous. Here the element is stored in the information, n is stored in the next, p is stored in the previous. So here the two values we have to use, next value assigned to the next value, previous value assigned to the previous value, link it to the previous value. Here we link two sides, left side and right side, doubly linked list. We link previous one and next one. Public class TLL T and private double linked list node T, and here we take head comma tail. Double linked list class we have defined Java file, and constructor double linked list. Here first we head and tail is assigned to null, and then is empty, check is empty, return head equal to null, and set null, head equal to tail equal to null we set, and then we take a first element, head, if head equal to null, return head dot information, and else head return null. If one element is there, return the head value. If an element is there, any element is there, first element, return the first element. And next one, add to head method. If null is not equal to head, we create the new node, DLL node, element head and null, head dot null. The value can be assigned to head value, and here the head value assigned to the next dot previous, head dot next dot previous. Add to head here. Here else we use create the new node and then assign to tail and assign as a head. Next we take add to tail. Here we previously we add the element in the left side, here the add element in the tail side. For this one we use the different methods, like create the new node, assign to the tail. If tail is not equal to null, create the new node, assign to tail, and then tail equal to tail dot previous dot next, else new DLL node is assigned to tail, assigned to head. Next one is delete from head. We delete from the left value we have to delete. For this one we use the first is empty, null equal to null assigned to return, and head information is stored in the element, and head equal to tail, if check head tail equal to null, else head equal to head dot next, head dot previous equal to null, return else return element, and then we delete from the tail. Next method is delete from tail. The previous method we delete the value from the left side, and this method we delete the value from the right side, delete from tail. If is empty, return equal to null, return null. Tail information is stored in the element, head equal to tail, head tail equal to null, else tail previous assigned to tail, null equal to assigned to tail, head tail dot next, return element. This way we can delete the value from the tail, and then print all. We use the print all method. We take a for loop here, double linked list node, temp equal to assigned to head, temp not equal to null, temp equal to temp dot next. We print the value temp dot information, and then we find the value. We have to find any element, t find tl, dll tmp, and head is a for, we take a for loop from head to temp not equal to null, temp information not equal to element, temp equal to temp dot next, temp is equal to null, then return null value, else return temp information. Like that we find the value. Next we take a circular list. In the circular list we take the node is as a ring model. The last node is point to the first node like circle model. Here the example of the situation is we take a circular list. Here we take four nodes 6, 5, 8, 10. 6 is linked to the 5 and 5 is linked to 8. 8 is linked to 10. The 10 is linked to 6. Like that, circular linked list, circular single linked list. Single linked list, that is of circular type. Here also we insert the nodes and delete the nodes, all the things are there. So insert the node at the front and insert the node at the end. Values you can use. And next also circular double linked list also there. Last node point to the first node. Here also insertion for front and right is also there. The first one inserting the node at the front, we take a one node and we have to insert the value next new node to the front. We assign the next value assigned to head of the information field of the one. Like that we insert the value, and then if we want to insert the three value at the front, the three next pointer can be assigned to the information of the two and two next pointer assigned to one. Like that we insert the front. If we want to insert the rear, the we insert the value 2 at the rear right side circular list. Here in the circular list previously one tail is assigned to head of the 2 like that, and here we the t next first value 1, the next field assigned to the head of the 2, and then 2 tail value 2 next value assigned to 1. Like that right side we have to insert, and then if I have to insert the next element 2 next assigned to next information of the next first next newly created value 3 value, and then 3 next assigned to the 1 value. Like that we insert the elements in the circular list. Like that circular. Next skip list we use skip list. We take a skip list example. Skip list node.java. Skip list take a key assigned to t, and then skip list node equal to next is assigned. We take a pointer array next array, and we take a constructor skip list node I value n value skip list node. First, what is skip list we use? Skip list with the evenly and unevenly spaced nodes of different levels. Skip list with the reference nodes we use here. First one is evenly skip list. one 4 node assigned to the 4 nodes. We will take 2 nodes, 3 nodes, 4 nodes, like that, multiple nodes, multiple field nodes, 2 field node, 3 field nodes, 4 field nodes, 4 field nodes assigned to 4 elements, 2 field nodes assigned to 1 element, 4 field assigned to 3 elements, linked to 3 elements, 2 field elements linked to 1 element, 3 field elements linked to 3 elements. Like this is called as evenly. Next, unevenly spaced nodes. This one unevenly is nothing but evenly is nothing but we take order wise, first 4 nodes and 2 nodes and 3 nodes and 2 nodes and 3 nodes, like that, 4 2 3 2 3. And next same order, 4 to 4 in between the 3 variables, 2 3, same order wise we use. And unevenly nothing but not we any order we can use, like 4 nodes and 2 nodes, 2 nodes, 3 nodes, and again 3 nodes, 4 nodes, 3 nodes, and 2 nodes, 3 nodes, like that, unevenly. This one, this is not in the order, any order we can take nodes. Next one is skip list of reference node. Here we take a reference extra, reference assigned to the next value. Next, self organization list. So there are different topics are there, not necessary. Next, sparse tables is there. So here arrays and sparse tables mainly used for the storing the student grades. We take the student values and classes and the grade codes. We use the sparse table storing the student grades. We take the class attribute and grades and students. Two-dimensional array for storing the student grades. Take a two-dimensional array. Rows and columns. Yes. So here these grades are implemented by linked list, the sparse table. And here the list in Java util package. What are the methods we use? The util package, linked list. We use the linked list is superclass is abstract sequence list, and for this one superclass is abstract list. For this one superclass abstract collection. Main superclass is object. Whole are inherited from the object. linked list is inherited from the object superclass. In between the different class are the abstract collection class, abstract list class, abstract sequential list class. Here we use the different methods: final size, get class, finalize, get class, notify, notify all, wait method, all these things. Now stack implementation, stacks, queues, next topic. Stacks and queue. Stack is of last in first out model and queue is of first in first out model. Last in first out, we insert the value from the last, we delete the value from the first, last in first out. Stack is of last in first out, first in first out. For implementing stack, we can use the push method and pop method. The last in first out method, we have the first value can be assigned as a first one only. First value assigned as a last, the new value assigned as a first value. For queue, in the queue, first in first out queue, for example, we take any queue in the outside, like queue for the petrol bunk, queue for the cinema hall, like this one. Here the first value can be go first, like that one, first in first out. For stack, last in first out, like in the glass we take not glass, books, we can arrange the books in the bag, like first book will be stored in the last, second book stored in the last only, last book we can retrieve first only, like the last in first out. Here also insertion, deletion, push and pop, so many operations are there. Next topic we take binary trees, tree value. We take example of tree. Tree consists of a root node and there are some different levels. First level, second level, third level. First level has a root node. Second level has the child nodes. Any nodes, 2 or 3 any nodes. Third level has again childs. Root, the here parent child and parent and childs are there. Take example hierarchical structure of tree. Take a university as a root node, and then here we two nodes, two childs. Take a two campus A and campus B, and here for campus A take three child nodes. Department 1, department 2, department up to department, any departments take any childs, and campus B take any departments like any childs. For every department again we take different childs, like professor, major, majoring students, minoring students, like this one. We divide the like this way hierarchical structure of the tree structure, root node and child nodes. Here the trees are there, binary trees are there, binary search trees are there. So this trees topic, okay. Here we in the tree we can add the element. Here there are different traversers are there, pre-order traverser, in-order traverser, post-order traverser. Here we add the elements and delete the elements in the tree. Here terminal elements, non-terminal elements like that. Terminal element is nothing but last element. Non-terminal nothing but any value can be assigned to the node. Non-terminal nodes are the not last nodes, and terminal nothing but if the any known childs are not there, that is called a terminal. If any child is there, that is also non-terminal. Next one is implementing binary tree. How we implement array, first array representation of binary tree. For this one we take a index value, information value, left value, right value. Array implementation. Generic binary search tree we can use implementation. BST node, BST node, BST node. We take a visit method, pre-order method, breadth first search, in order method, post order method. Like that, for in order, pre-order, post order. Implementation of binary search tree. Pre-order nothing but we can order from the left to right. In order nothing but we can order from the middle. Post order nothing but we order from the right side. In order from the root only we order. Pre-order from the left leaf. Post order is from the right leaf. Order from the right leaf. In order, post order. Here we take a traverses method. Traverses also there are different traverses are there. Depth first traverser, breadth first traverses. Breadth first traverser and depth first traverser. Breadth first is nothing but visiting the each node starting from the lowest method, lowest or highest. This is called as the breadth first. Moving down by level. So there are different kinds of traverses are there. This one, top down and left right and breadth first traverser. Top down, left first and breadth first traverser implementation. Here depth first next. Depth first nothing but it proceeds as possibly from the left only, left or right. Depth first nothing but it proceeds from the left or right. Breadth is nothing but lowest to highest. From lowest to highest level. It is according to level, low level to high level, like this one. Level by level. Breadth is nothing but left to right, like this one. Goes one step to right, like this one, or if the right is there, go one step to left. So there are different tasks are there for this one. Visiting the node, traversing the left subtree, traversing the right subtree, the depth first search. Here also pre-order tree traversal, in order tree traversal, post order traversal. Pre, in order, post order. Next one is recursive implementation, non-recursive implementation. Is also not necessary. There are also some stackless depth first traversals, threaded trees. Here also we use insert the node and delete the node, this one. Next, balancing the trees we can use. Temporary delete by copying we can use. We can copy the node and then delete, different methods. Next, AVL trees are there. AVL tree is called an admissible tree. Examples of AVL trees are -1 0 -1 0. AVLs we can discuss in the afterwards. Balancing AVL tree. Displaying also there. These are all topics we can discuss in the next class. Heap sort, AVL trees, heaps, heap tree, hap tree, and multi-way trees are there. B trees we can discuss also. B trees, binary tree, 4-way tree. Insert key into the B tree. 2-4 trees. So subscribe to my channel Tech Education by PVK.